Hello there, Kunastántú, how are you? Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'm delighted to say that I'm going to be teaching how to say the names of some songbirds in Irish. So first of all, we'll take the word for bird itself. The Irish word for bird is éan. Éan. And again, éan. Now you see on the graphic on screen that I've included the gender of the name or the noun in brackets just after it. So here we have M for masculine. As we go through the names of songbirds today, you may see F, signifying that it's a feminine noun. Okay, so éan is bird. What's songbird? Songbird in Irish is éan ceoil. Éan ceoil. And one more time, éan ceoil. Now you may already know this word ceoil. It means music, and here it's in its genitive singular form to signify that it's linked to the noun for bird, éan. So éan ceoil, songbird. Great. So the first songbird on our list today is the robin, and the Irish for robin is spideog. Spideog. And one more time, spideog. Bird number 2 today is the goldfinch, and the Irish for goldfinch is lasar chuile. Lasar chuile. And one more time, lasar chuile. So that's quite a poetic one. It means flame of the forest, and if you're familiar with goldfinches, they have lovely yellow on their wing, red on their heads, so when they're flying through the woods or the forest, it looks like a flame passing through. So lasar itself means flame, and then chuilebit is of the forest. And this reminds me actually of a nice name that you'll encounter. It's not that common, but you will encounter it from time to time in the Aran Islands and the Connacht region of Ireland, and that's Lasarina. And that means flame of wine. It's a woman's first name, Lasarina. Great, so the third bird on our list today is the thrush. The Irish for thrush is smólach. Smólach. And again, smólach. We have two different types of thrush. One is the song thrush, and that's smólach ceoil. Smólach ceoil. And again, smólach ceoil. So again, we have this ceoil, song thrush, from the word ceol, meaning music. And of course, there's the mistle thrush, and the Irish for mistle thrush is smólach mór. Smólach mór. And again, smólach mór. And of course, mór means big. Moving on to our next bird, and this bird is one of my favourites, the stone chat. The Irish for stone chat is caisleán cloch. Caisleán cloch. And one more time, caisleán cloch. Now, there are a lot of regional variations in the names for birds and plants and mammals and all sorts in Ireland and anywhere really in the world. So in the case of caisleán cloch, where I'm from in West Kerry, it's a little bit confusing because that term or word is also used for a different bird, the wheatear. So if we want to take all ambiguity out of it, rather than using caisleán cloch, certainly in West Kerry, we can use the regional term for the male and the female stone chat each. So the regional West Kerry term for the male stone chat is donnacha an chapín. Donnacha an chapín. And again, donnacha an chapín. This means donnacha, which is a man's first name, of the cap or the hat. And it's because the stone chat has the male stone chat has a very distinctive, dark coloured head. The female stone chat, when in West Kerry, she's known as Maureen an Tuaish. Maureen an Tuaish. And one more time, Maureen an Tuaish. And this translates as mooring of the trousers, because her upper half is quite plain, so her lower half is her defining feature, let's say, where you have a little bit more colour, her trousers. Okay then, so moving on to another lovely bird that you hear singing in West Kerry on a nice summer's day. That's the skylark. And the Irish for skylark, and also just for lark, is fhuiseog. Fhuiseog. And one more time, fhuiseog. And if you wanted to say rising with the lark, to signify that you're rising very early in the morning, you would say Éirí leis an bhuiseog. Éirí leis an bhuiseog. And one more time, Éirí leis an bhuiseog, rising with the lark. Our second last species of bird today is the tit. There are a variety of different tits. We'll take just two of them. So first of all, the word for tit in Irish is meown-tán. Meown-tán. One more time, meown-tán. So the great tit is known as meown-tán mór. Meown-tán mór. And again, meown-tán mór. And as we saw with the missel thrush, mór means big. Then of course there's our friend the blue tit. The blue tit is meown-tán gurm. Meown-tán gurm. And once again, meown-tán gurm. And of course, if you know your colours in Irish, you know that gurm is the Irish word for blue. Last on our list, but definitely not least, is the diminutive wren. And the Irish word for wren is Jolene. Jolene. And one more time, Jolene. Great. So I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson. If you would like to incorporate a little more Irish into your daily routine, then have a look in the description below and you'll find a link to Bite Size Irish's free ebook called 10 Secrets for Practicing Irish Every Day. Thanks for being with me. Buimse Ben from me, Ben. Until the next time, Gadian Hiador Ella, Slán go fóill. Bye for now.